My name is Noir, and I'm going to show you how to make a cheese charm. I start with a yellow ball of clay and I encase it in a flattened red piece of clay. I try to smooth it out and make the surface even, as when I cut it, I want the edge to be consistent throughout the whole cheese piece. Next, I flatten the head of cheese just like you see them in a store, nice and roundish. And you can use anything for this. You can use a flat acrylic piece or just your hand, anything would work. Next, I add some texture to the side of the cheese with my X-Acto knife. Alright, it's nice and smooth, and now it's time for cutting. I cut it in half, and you can continue cut in halves, or like in this case, I decided to make them a nickel size for a bracelet. Next, I smooth out the edges and just remove all of the inconsistencies. Now I'm adding cheese holes. I use different size dodging tools to make sure that the holes don't look too consistent, too equal. This is where we need to have some random variety, otherwise it would not look realistic. So sometimes I use a larger dodging tool and then I go in again with a smaller one to make the hole deeper. And if you get an excess clay on a rim, you can just trim it. Now I do the same with the rest of the charms. And if you can see the outer edge a little uneven, you can smooth it out and make it nice and roundish with a dotting tool. And if the texture got disappeared from your charm, you can add it again with the edge of the X-Acto knife. Next, I'm making some holes for findings, and you want to make sure that the hole is big enough, because once the clay is baked, it's very difficult to make it larger. I do the same for the rest of the charms, and I place the holes in different places so that the charms would look more realistic and there would be more variety in sizes and shapes. That's it, the charms are ready, and this is the bracelet when I put it together. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment and like, and I'll see you next week.